Yo, good morning, family. Welcome. Happy Monday. Hope everybody actually had a great weekend. Refresh the mind. The point of the weekend is get your psychology back in check. If you had whatever week you had, even if it was a good week, you want to make sure you come back to earth and stabilize. If you had a bad week, reset, keep everything fresh. First, before the stream even started, Bobby early. Santi, good morning, King. Let's get it. Work. Love it. How we doing, family? Hope you guys had a great weekend. Market's opening up here. We're a little bit late. Pat's screen is up. I'm still purchasing some 20 Apexes at the moment, so we're going to go ahead and get those purchased. My plan for the day, fam, is to trade an Apex set, so we're going to try to do Apex, do them well this time, hopefully. I mean, you guys know I'm going to put size on. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, oh well. And then also we're going to trade the Tradeify Live Cup, because I want to see if we can get on that leaderboard. I know people are already crushing. And then also we're going to try and pass our Lucid evals. They're like, I don't even think I can pass them in one day. I think they're a little bit behind, but we'll see what we can do with them. But let's see what we can find. Today, a great day, Kings and Sisters. I love it, work. Yo, I absolutely love it. Just ain't right. Yo, good morning, King. I also love the energy you guys are always filling the chat with in the Discord. You guys just bringing positivity over the weekend, so that means a lot. Work, Santi, D. Brom, good morning, King. I love it. Bella, good morning, Queen. Let's go. Hope you're having a great weekend, or a great Monday. Had a great weekend. Refresh the brain. Good morning, fam. Let's make it happen this week. Like we never left, TLR. NASDAQ opening up here to the sell side, near above VWAP. I'm still purchasing some 20 Apex accounts right now. Pete Pat's account or screen while we see and get these finished. I don't even know how many I have. Let's see after this. Apex, I cannot wait until they add the thing where we can just purchase 20 accounts at once. Of course, they're going to get a benefit, and I'm going to get a benefit, and we're all going to get a benefit. So, like, what are we doing? Like, what are we doing? Yo, I'm right now rolling my blunt and about to go outside and enjoy some hot air. No trades for me today. Hey, that's how you got to be. Is it hot over there, work? Nice. We had a great, stunning weekend. So much beauty. I also got in Lucid working on new evals on Tradeify and Top Step. Love it, Santi. I'm excited for you, King. I've been just from our little chat, I'm so excited to see you continue to crush and head towards your goals. Morning, family. Let's have a good week in the rest of the month. Max, as always, love the energy. Let's have a great start to the week. ETH was good for me, so don't got to force it. That man made some money on the ETH. Oh, baby. All right, how many I got? 17? Is that real? Let me check my bank. Make sure I actually have 17. And if so, then we got to buy 3 more, but sometimes it lags, so I'm not sure. What are you looking at, Pat? How you seeing? What are you seeing for any setups, or how you feeling?
Feeling good, man. I feel really good. I feel confident, dude. We've got this point right here around this 420 area where sellers are like trying to bring it down, but we do have really nice demand from below. So it's still early, man. Just waiting for the setup, and yeah, I'm excited.
Love it. I love the confidence. I love that you're feeling excited about it, because that's the first start to good trades, to just have good mindsets about them. Oh, no, I can't tell. I can't tell how many I have because my bank has all the other ones from last Friday, too. It says 18. All right, I'll buy 2 more. Okay. It says 18. What's the overnight range? I haven't even peaked yet.
From open last night around 6 to now, it's about 300 points, 370 points.
That's the low? From the low, we opened at the low and then just went up?
So
I got one more account to
last
purchase.
night. Yeah, and we had a low at 926. We formed a low, and then from there we pumped up. So overnight low is 926.
We had some positive overnight news with the China possible agreement, so maybe that's something there. Saucy, good morning, King. Good morning, Matthew. Hope you had a great weekend and excited to start the week. Anyone in the top 1,000 for the competition? I hadn't even traded yet, Santi. And I seen dudes are already up like 16 grand or something wild. I'm like, damn, show me the ways. Let me in to the group chat of money making people. Man,
no news Monday.
Man figured it out. Like, he absolutely figured it out. All right, family, we're in officially ourselves now. Let's take a quick gander here. So yeah, we opened up, sold down in towards these 926s. Now we're putting the 419s. So almost a 400-point range, or 500-point range actually. Pretty clean, a lot of volatility. We did end up selling off the rejection of that 2977. So 30,000 NASDAQ this week, or do we get stuck under this 950s, 9500 level? We'll be interested to find that out. It's booming outside, super hot. Yesterday I was drinking Corona all day and smoked the 2 blunts from the dispensary. Man knows how to live. Man knows how to live, work. Enjoy that, King. I'm happy for you. Alrighty. So yeah, NASDAQ looking interesting here. Our daily chart is kind of a doji. We decided we'd hold a low, and we're holding the high right now. So we're kind of ranging on the higher time frame. 40, 21. So these did all upgrade. Manage groups. Let's get our 20 Apex accounts on. 20 50K's. And you guys know what it is. I'm going to wait for our 15-minute range, wait for a good setup, and then we're going to size in. See if we can make it happen. And in the meantime, we'll wait for the range. And then depending on this, I'm also going to trade the live, or the Tradeify live eval, or the live cup account. I guess I don't really know what it's called. And then the Lucid accounts. So we have those already somewhere in there. How are they up 16K with one contract? I'm only up 1,700 from entering pre-market. Crypto, even that is great. You gotta be proud of that, Queen. But yeah, I have no idea. They just know how to do it. They might be trading a metal, so I'm thinking maybe they're trading gold and like crushing, because even then, I mean, this thing did move 100 points. So that's $3,000. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. No, 100 points, 10 grand for gold, right? So maybe they caught all that and scalped it. They must be scalping. They're scalping the shit out of something. Hey, there she is. Good morning, Queen. Welcome in, Danny. Love having you here as always. Trading silver, lol. Oh, so is that actually what they're doing, Pobby? I assume they're doing something like that. Crushing a metals market, and they must be scalping it, because obviously they're not catching just directions, but they must know what they're doing. They must know what they're doing. Even if you're getting lucky that many times, you still have something figured out. So proud of them. And all we gotta do is try to get on that top 1,000 list. That's the goal. That's the goal, family. And while we wait for the 15-minute range to set up to give ourselves the best chance, it looks like we are possibly coming to auction towards this VWAP. In the meantime, family, can we show some love and hit the like button? There's 24 of you beautiful souls in here that would give us pretty close to our 30 like stream goal, and then even close to our 40. So if you haven't yet, take the quick second. It means a lot, helps a lot. And yeah, we're just being patient here. I kind of want to try to find a short towards the VWAP for an exit at the VWAP, but then I actually want to flip over to longs at VWAP. So that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. Wouldn't mind finding a short into the VWAP and then finding a long off of it. What's up, Pat?
I'm definitely bullish off the VWAP.
I like that. I like that a lot. It's a weird that's right above daily opening print price, but I can still imagine finding some support there. Matrix, good morning, King. How you feeling today? Hope you had a great weekend and feeling excited for the week ahead. I'm trading MES today. I saw it. It was so cool. Danny, I love that. Tossie said he really liked it too. You're trading MES. Micro ES. What's up with it? You like ES today, huh? You trying to try a new market, just a new strategy, or?
She's cheating on us with ES.
You cheating on the Nazi? Could never. Oh gosh. I love it. Testing new things out is never a bad thing. Come on, everyone, subscribe as well. The family almost at 2K. We are actually 1 subscriber away from the 2K bomb, which is so special. All my family members, I appreciate every single one of you guys that show up every day, support, show love. So one more homie wants to join the family. We'll have the complete 2K, and then we're just grinding on the process to build. But 2K is crazy. I like the slower pace. MNQ is so fast sometimes. Yeah, she's quick. She's volatile. We know that. ES is a little bit slower. I don't mind it. I just haven't studied it enough yet. I haven't played with her enough to know how she really likes to facilitate. But I do think we're going to come down in towards this VWAP, daily opening print price, before just continuing higher. So kind of tempted to try a little short here, to be honest with you. I just don't like having to try to top ticket.
It doesn't look bad. I mean, sellers are definitely bringing downtime. We have more downside. I mean, you still get in short with time to take profit and then flip over long.
You know what I mean? Just a little poke down towards VWAP, get out down there. It's kind of what I wanted. It's kind of what I want to see. There's a nice strong imbalance right here though at the breakout price at the 29s ish area. MQ is that toxic girlfriend. That ES is that conservative one. She's the one that you'll bring home to your parents. Hey mom, I'm at the school girl.
Yeah. You don't bring MQ home to meet mom and daddy.
No. Oh gosh. I think I'm gonna try it. I'm not waiting for the 20-minute range, 15-minute range like I want to, but as of right now, I don't mind to see some selling pressure continue to the sell side here. As we get closer towards this imbalance, I'll be a little bit more skeptical, but around this EMA and previous swing of these 280s, 270s, I think I like a try to the sell side here. I gotta wait for a good auction though. I think I might have just missed that EMA tap right there, so who knows? MNQ makes me nervous, always trying to break up with me. She loves you, but she just won't let you know it. You know what I mean? Like, she really cares, but she's secretive about it. Happy 2K subscribers, family. Let's go. Woo! No shit work. Let's go, family. Someone hit the last button and joined up for our 2K bomb. So special, family. It means a lot. Always showing up. Always picking each other up. We're building a really special community here. So if you guys are tapped in and part of it, it means the most, family. It really, 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 really does. Especially the OGs, the ones that actually built this thing up. NASDAQ is starting to respect that price at the EMA at these 280s, 290s, and now we're heading back down towards these 240s. If we get below these 240s, this imbalance area here, where we had that breakout, volume start coming to take out this previous swing high, and around these 220s is going to be the spot, and then from there it's going to be VWAP, and I would not mind trying a VWAP long. It's a little intimidating having a bunch of the volume down here at the daily opening print price, but I do think we try to hold, so I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it depending on how it lines up with the 15-minute range, of course, but not going to be scared. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean, darling? Very proper. And then, yeah, we'll see how it goes. I mean, look, you win or you lose. You can't be scared of both. Here we go. NASDAQ tapping into that imbalance that we were just talking about. Trying to see if it wants to hold through the swing or not. It did tap into the imbalance we were just mentioning. Trying to get up into that EMA again. I'm hesitating on joining the shorts here, but I really want to.
I think they're gonna leave without you if you don't get in soon. Not trying to rush you.
No, I think they are too. I think that candle was my chance, but it's also just weird the way that we're dojing, having a weird bottom candle after breaking out through the bottom of the wick. We broke through this range into this imbalance, and now we're wicking out, which is not necessarily what I want to risk 20 accounts on, you know what I mean? Family, how are you guys? I took too long from open. Let's go, Amy. Always crushing the markets. I love seeing it. It's been a little while, King. Hope you're crushing, and just bringing the money home to the family. That's what I hope you're doing. W's, always. Always W's. NASDAQ is starting to respect that price at those 280s again. You can see sellers are clearly stacked up there at that previous swing high, over around this opening print high. And now we're heading back down towards this imbalance again, taking out that previous low. So that would have been a beautiful trade had I taken it. Of course, I hesitated, but now we're actually getting through. See if the imbalance comes, and where do we get to on it? Do we see the VWAP get traded? Feels like we might. Our 15-minute range is getting closer and closer to being done. Anyone trading the Tradeify competition? Alien, I am hoping to. I'm going to be after these Apex accounts, but what is does anyone know what the 1,000 buffer is? Like, what is it to get in the top 1,000? We're obviously not grabbing number one. That guy's got 16K on the top list there, but could we even qualify for the duels? I think that would be special. Out of millions of people to qualify to be a top 1,000 would be pretty special. I see VWAP longs being decent. I do too, Pobby. That's what I got my eye on right now. I'm going to have to wait, but we'll see what happens when I get down there. Should the 200 hold for more up? Yeah, the 200 have to hold. I mean, you don't think we get down in VWAP flash and then maybe a retest of the 200s? I don't know. I would agree. I wouldn't really want to see us get below these 80s, though. below the 80s, I'll be confused. Top 1K qualify and go to a 1v1 battle. Yeah, I know, but so what is the top 1,000 right now? So if you looked at the list, what's the 1,000th person's P&L? And then what's that? That's essentially our buffer. Are you planning to trade Lucid today or only Apex and Tradeify? I'm a trade our Lucids too. Yep, Dave, 100%. So my plan is to trade these Apex accounts after 15-minute range, take my good setup, hopefully get some love. Whatever happens, happens, and then flip over to the Lucid, try to get those half pass, get the 1,500, and then flip over the Tradeify account and see how we can do. I'm top 1.8K. It just goes based off the balance amount. As time goes, the bar keeps rising for sure. No, I know, but I just was curious what the current 1,000 is. But yeah, you're right. I mean, how long is the competition? Like, how long is it going to be in effect for? NASDAQ getting completely respected by this EMA over and over and over again, showing that the buyers are trying to step up, but the sellers are clearly controlling right now. And towards these 180s, I'm going to be interested in being a buyer. I'm not going to lie. Down towards these 80s, I'm going to be interested in being a buyer. I think next Monday. Next Monday. Okay, it's all week. Didn't it just start? The last one starts today. I think it goes in 5-day cycles. It's 5 days. Okay. Pat, you're in at the VWAP here?
I'll try it. Just seeing if I can get some direction here. I'm in just small size. See if it'll respect this area. If not, I'm only in a couple micro.
I like it. I think it's worth the try. The only thing that's kind of scared me is how far the EMA is from the VWAP. It seems a little intimidating how fast we came down here, but we'll see. Here comes that daily opening print price, possibly.
See if this holds. If we get a rotation back up, could be nice.
Could be very nice if we do. Hope everybody had an amazing weekend, though, guys. It was beautiful here. Probably the nicest weekend we've had. Just so much sun and beauty. I hope you soaked it all up. Drink all that sun. NASDAQ trying to respect the VWAP now. See if we can get past some love here at this direction. Got nearly that daily opening print price tap at the 130s, 135s, 140s. You get 3 resets, too, so don't be passive. 3 resets. How aggressive do we want to be with those? That's the question. Starting to see something I like here, Pat, because if we continue to auction and kind of wick out at this EMA, at this VWAP, and the EMA can come down and get some support, I like to see the upside balance here. I'm trying to just be a little bit patient, not be the first one in as I'm trying to with these 20 accounts, but we'll see what happens. I'm going to get our 15-minute range drawn up now that it's in. See what we're looking at here. 29 candle is right here. Let's our 30. The top of the 15-minute range is almost the top of the opening print price. So we did break through the bottom of the 15 with that spike through the VWAP there. I don't mind this. We're consolidating at a big price here. We might try to hold the daily opening print as well. Anything could happen. Just hit Asia high at the ES. I love it, Danny. I actually love that you're trading ES too, because now you're going to keep us informed on that, and I don't have to watch both. If you hold 200, then wait for 250 to 300. F price drops to sellers, Asia low, then wait to sweep that then up. That's classic, man. I missed having the Amy's classic little analysis in there, man. Always dead on. Wait for ES to retest and hold VWAP for buys. I have to listen to music and lock in. Work. Good luck, y'all. Take it easy, Saucy. Appreciate it, sir. Enjoy work. Overall bearish on the higher time frame. Cheers. I like that, Alien. This is a pretty gnarly hourly rejection candle that we're seeing on the daily chart. Pretty crazy wick that we're getting here, but I do like the way that we're auctioning at VWAP. I do not mind that we're holding above daily opening print price. We're giving time for the EMA to come down and give us a chance, which I'm guessing is going to line up with VWAP getting tested on ES. At least I could take a peek. So yeah, ES hasn't actually tested VWAP yet and looking pretty strong. So I don't mind it. I want to see if NQ can continue to hold this VWAP, get ES to test the NQ, getting the EMA to test the top of it, and then from there I like the direction. Looking like they're trying to hold it right now. I don't mind this. Want to buy right now. Me too, Matthew. I'm trying to be a little bit patient though. Trying to be a little bit patient, but I do like it down here. What do I have if I get in down here for risk? I think I have enough to try it. I think I have enough risk to try it if we do get in, so. Got to get back above the 200s though, like Amin said. Otherwise, we could come down to Asia lows. This is a pretty crazy hourly candle on the sell side, so you got to see it try to wick out a little bit here, get a stronger support back above. But we did get the volume through the bottom of the range, and then price held. So I do like longs here at the VWAP especially. I have an order at the 171s. I'm going to try it. See if we get it to fill.
We are auctioning really well here.
We're auctioning well, and we're holding the daily opening print. We have the strong volume node to break through the bottom of the 15, so we're essentially looking for a break and reclaim of the 15. See if we can get a fill, though. NASDAQ looks like she wants to try to get above that EMA. You can see how strong the EMA has been holding us down, though. So we'll see. EMA has been so strong, it really has, Bobby. I'm recently trading both ES and NQ. Just got tapped into myself here at the VWAP. Hopefully we can find this to hold. We don't want to see any pressure back below the bottom of the 15-minute range for this to give us a chance. I'm recently trading both, whichever gives the cleanest setups. That's the way to be, Alien. I find it to be a little difficult to analyze and do both, but I'm glad that you are and do. NASDAQ getting below the VWAP, trying to find some more support back through it again. We're giving up our drawdown right now, so we had to make sure we actually get a push through here this time. Nice. Give me a closure through that EMA. Cannot give up that much drawdown. That's going to hurt the accounts. What do we just get? Tons of points. 30 points, 600. $700 plus. Got to get a closure through this EMA to give us a chance. You can see how strong this EMA has been. Any closure through it should bring us a nice balance to the other side. Go ahead. Get a closure through there. Go ahead, Queen. No one's going to be upset with you. Hold this VWAP. Beautiful push.
Order filled.
I'm going to top tick that for having... We only need $1,000 more to pass. I had to go ahead and try to just, you know... maximize, minimize, whatever the word is. Okay, family, we need $1,000. Probably could have held that a little bit longer, but I didn't want to risk giving the drawdown since we're trying to top tick. So we'll see if we can go here. I really do like to support at VWAP though for continuation. If we can continue to wake back above the 200s here, Pat, it looks really clean for you, buddy. Nice entry on your side. Nice entry, appreciate it, Maxi. I keep my tablet at second and third monitor and trade my main setups. Don't like more trades than that. I get it, Alien. See, family, I'm not going to hold you guys. This is why the intraday trailing for who I am as a trader makes me a little sad, because it's like I would never want to get out of this position. I want to see the top of the 15-minute range trade, but I have to try to top tick for the intraday trailing to make sure I don't give up a ton of profit. And it just makes it hard. You know what I mean? Makes it difficult, but we'll see. We'll see what we can do here. Because now essentially I have to make 1,000 without losing 2, because our trailing is just updated. So
Got to get through this EMA here.
W Danny and the Santi, I appreciate you guys. That would have been it. I think that might have been the top of where I needed to be if I would have not got out. Another 30 points. It'd been very close. I would have almost just made that whole trade there in that one move, but I could never, because why do? Oh, see, that's what I mean. That's what I'm saying about the intraday, man. So tough. You are actually above the buffer now. 2K is the buffer. Not in the drawdown, or not in the whatever it called accounts, right, Max? It's only for if you're actually in a performance account, not in the evals. I'm pretty sure the eval, it follows you all the way up to 3K. At least I think. Take the clean moves with intraday trailing or trail. Trail is another play I could have done there for sure. Actually, Alien, that's a good point. Both, I believe, but correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, I thought it was a buffer only in the, you know, I'll test it right now to find out. I'll put one little micro on to see. But I'm pretty sure it's trailing all the way up to 3 grand. Let's find out. Well, hold on. Well, hold on here. I mean, hold on. Like, of course, you just got to hold on a second here. Keeps trailing in evals. Okay, Alien, that's what I thought, too. All the way up to 3 grand. That's how I remember it. But we had a great first trade there. Made the 2 grand. We need 1,000 more to pass these, and then we'll be where we want to be. NQ is coming down in towards this EMA. Getting kind of respected halfway through the 50% of the range. This is going to be a little bit of a sticky spot back towards those 260s, 280s. If we come back down in towards these 210s, 220s, I'm going to try another long, I think. Try to get this thing to break out with us. See if it wants us to be a part of the fun or not. ES never came, or the EMA never came down to the VWAP, but we did test it and it brought them to break of the 50-minute range. So I don't mind try to see the holders or buyers try to hold here. If we go 2 contracts, then we're essentially asking for 25 points to get done. If I would have longed at that price, it would have been enough. Oh, it's tricking me. Only price action stops at 100. Yeah, you need 2,100 to get the PAs to stop. I always call it price action. When I see PA, I say price action. It's a performance account. It's so funny. GC shorts are near. Santi's starting to target what he likes. Join the Discord, anyone that hasn't yet. This is Tyler's official trading Discord. Let's go work. Yeah, family, it's been great having the conversation going. I love seeing the wins in there and just the positivity all around. So if you guys want to join up, you can. Obviously, there's nothing in there other than just great community. So now the real move at 200 if it holds. That's what I was hoping to see, Amy. Another retest to 200. That's why I wanted to get in, but it was a little bit shallow for me. Wait for the wicks to be taken out. We nearly did. Oh, you mean these wicks here? Also, smash the like button if you haven't. Let's go, newbie. If you haven't yet, family, find it. We have 2,000 family members. We try to average 30 to 40 likes per stream, and there's 30 of you guys right in here right now. So if you haven't yet, smash the button. It really does help a lot. It takes a quick second. Nothing for you, but it helps the family a ton. So let's see if the NASDAQ can get above these 80s. This has been the spot where you can see the earlier resistance. We tried multiple times to get through the 80s, this previous swing high where the market opened up originally over here, and we got a lot of resistance here. So to see where we go there will be interesting. Pat, you still in a trade over there, King?
Still in.
Oh, I love it, baby. What are you riding right now? You took two micros down there? I love it.
Just 2 micro, but I'm up almost $500.
And you're looking for, what are you looking for, the top of the range?
Trying to see top of the range here, trying to hold. But,
looking for the top of the range with a classic break and reclaim trade, baby. Come on, Pat.
Looks pretty good. Not bad, not bad.
That's a strong 5-minute closure, too.
Yeah, I was waiting for that candle to close. I was sweating a little bit, and then that candle closed, and I was like, all right, it's looking good.
I absolutely love it, King.
There's 500. There's 500.
And these accounts are already up, too, right? So what does he put you at?
50,800 if I close right now.
Okay, W's, you're doing well. NASDAQ is trying to get above those 80s, looking like we're getting some volume through there. Strong 5-minute candles chart. I like to see that on your screen there. It looks decent. I'm trying to decide where I want to try to get in for the last 25 points that we need, family. That's the question. It's like where if I was trying to get in for 25 points, where would that be? It's like, that's a great question, and I think it's going to be closer towards these 250s. I'm going to try the 255s if I get it tapped in.
Order filled.
Just got pushed in there. We need to get this thing to just push off so slightly for us. Give us an EMA rejection here. A little absorption and continuation off the high to the highs. I'd love to see it. Defending the 50% of the 15-minute range. An EMA tap into a big support level. I want to see this thing try to push up for us here. Not exactly the candle I wanted to see to get closure through there.
Some resistance here.
A little bit of resistance back at those threes. Oof.
Come on, buyers.
Oof. Sellers. Oof. Oof. Do we get back up into this EMA right now? It's not really looking super sexy here, I'm not gonna lie. Wanted a quick tap and go there. Defend these 50s. Come on, give me a closure back in that EMA. It's a good candle reaction. Give us a back through there now. No blue line algo. Get up through there now. No blue line algo. Not right now. Oy, you're making me think about myself.
I'm liking the absorption. This 5-minute candle's about to close.
I'm trying really hard to make a decision right now.
Thanks, crypto. If this candle flips blue or green, I mean, we're good. I mean, I will hold tie, but if we're holding south side, I'll exit.
Oh my god, we just flashed my fucking P&L, my intradays. That might have just hurt me.
Order filled.
I got out. I had to for my intraday. Wow. Look at this guy lagging behind quite a bit down here. What the fuck is that?
Order filled.
Yeah, I got out just above break even. No point in leaving money on the table.
Oh my god, we got so close to that. We were 11 points from passing.
I should have taken off that 500.
Oh, no, you did all right, Pat. I would have done the same thing. I've been looking for the top of the 15. I still am. That's the thing. Like, I still do like that as a position. We got in at this EMA. We got flashed up. We were 11 points from passing it to 69s, and I had to get out after we started seeing a rejection of that second candle, and I'm really glad I did. Otherwise, it would have been busted immediately, but god damn. Let's go, Poppy. Good trading game. What you giggling at, Pat?
You, dude. Damn.
Yes, rejecting previous hour, 1 hour high. Wait for close in the 1 minutes. TNS getting slammed with the big sell orders. Time and sales getting slammed like many 10 to 20 lots. Well, I'm ending my day up 700. Y'all stay safe. Let's go, Poppy. Good trading, King. And way to walk away while you're green. 10K lose to payout tomorrow. Apex. Let's go, Brom. Good trading, King. Love seeing it.
Badass.
Apex missing out on your money. High time frame still iffy. Yeah, we're doing weird right now. It's okay because of the drop from here. A big potential to go for Asia low. Yeah, if we continue to hold through these lows, I think we can. Congrats for sure, Brom. Love seeing a king eat. Love seeing it. I love it. NASDAQ rejecting those 300s for a second time, giving us a balance fill, getting back below VWAP now. Daily opening print prices below as well. It feels like we may be looking for some sell side here. Tricky to know. Hard saying, not knowing.
I think sellers are in. I mean, we tapped this clear demand zone down here with VWAP, grab buyers, pushed up, 100 points, and then immediately more sell side. So I think
if I didn't get out of my one trade there, that K banger, we passed. Instead, now we're battling. And we almost had it. Oh my god, we almost had it. You make a Discord? I joined. We did, I mean. Work, took the time out and made one. Keep the community strong. When we're not on the charts, come get in there, King. If we can come up into the EMA around these 200s before flashing through this daily opening print, I'm going to take a sell order, but that's a big if. If we can get some buying at these 200s before flashing to that daily opening print, I'm going to get in. But it feels like the sellers are just kind of in control right now. I'm going to still put my order in.
I did notice we created a small supply up here, 311 to 360.
I have an order seeing the 194s.
What are you putting your order in?
I'm at 194. Might come down a little bit to like the
You
193.
may touch. Okay. If we have a strong close and hold, that'll look good for your setup. I don't think we shouldn't have another pullback up in these.
The only thing that makes me think we may not is VWAP can just be the spot to load back up for the sellers. Kind of like that. Kind of like they just did there. And now the daily opening print is going to get flashed. Come on. That would have been a beautiful entry if you came up and gave me some love there, NASDAQ. I've been too clean. Too clean. Yeah, now I got to update my price. Come give us a tap before you go. Just one little touch-a-roni and biscuits. A little taparoni and cheese. It might be VWAP. I just don't really want to risk a... I say risk. It's fucking 9 points different, but it feels different. Hey, that's $200. You know what I'm saying? That's $200. $400 if I'm in these twos, so... Give me that touch. Give me that touch at the 187 before you sell off here. Go get one more EMA try. And then sellers step in and bring us to the daily opening print low. Come on, NASDAQ. Come get through that VWAP for 2 seconds. Come get through that VWAP for 2 seconds. Give me a fill at the 187s.
Proud of that trade.
You got to be proud of that trade. I'm proud of that trade too, King. It's good trading out of you.
Thank you, bro. Yeah. Super proud, man. Feels good. It's really good.
Get up.
See the sell side for you, man.
We'll hope so. Gotta get a tap in. Don't want to see the VWAP be the rejection spot. Otherwise, there's no chance we're gonna get a fill. If the VWAP is not gonna give us a little quick flash through there, a little touch, a little sweep.
It looks very bearish. You know, although I took a long strategy, this price action is very bearish.
Oh my days. Touch it. Dude.
Just tickle it. Just touch.
Just touch it.
Just look at it.
Just touch it. Give me a touch.
Just one kiss.
3 fucking times we're getting teased at our entry. Oh my fucking God, man.
It's a front run a tick. Front run a tick.
Why don't you love me, NASDAQ? Just the tip. That's all I wanted was just the tip. I can't have this order here anymore. Why don't you love me? I still think sellers look decent here. I hate that. We just got missed on that in the daily opening print price.
Just the tip, Mac. Dude. Come on, girl.
She's
There's
so bipolar.
Are you filled short?
I don't know. That was a daily opening print price tap there. Another strong wick. A lot of buying trying to come up through there. EMA officially got a VWAP tap, VWAP tap. So it's kind of hard to say actually if I still want to find a short right now or not. I really like that buying pressure. That's a lot of buying pressure. Huh?
It's a strong push from the buyers out of that zone. If they hold that EMA, we may see that the buy side come in.
Yeah, that's strong. I mean, that is strong buying pressure.
Wicked all the way down to the 120s. If this candle wicks out, sellers are in control. If we have a strong close, then buyers might come in. It's a little, bro. Let's see what happens. It's a little. We got 30 seconds in this candle.
It's actually pretty interesting. Both look strong on the outside edges. In between, it's kind of undecided, but on the outside edges, the buyers look strong, sellers look strong. Strong, I mean, that is 130s to the 250s, 120 points. I think I'm trying along here.
It looks good. I mean, the zone is there for the demand, but I don't know if buyers coming in.
Yeah, no, I think
this buy candle is kind of getting wicked out a little bit.
I think this looks decent. EMA support from the VWAP. Buyers came in to defend the daily opening print price. We get another try down towards these 190s. It's worth it for me to try. Only have fucking.
Yeah, it looks like a good trade. I'll keep a good stop on it. I'll stop out under the 90s. If this is my trade, dude, if this is the entry and then it pumps to the top of the range, that's my damn trade if it happens.
You said what, Pat?
I didn't get the continuation on the first pump, but if we get filled around here again and then we pump to the top range, then that was my damn TP.
Yes, sir. That's sir. Good thing you took that order out. Yeah, Max. Once I saw that rejection, and then like I don't want to be involved with it at that price, because then what I'm saying is that we're gonna get a rejection off that price to give me a fill. So you got to take that order off quickly to avoid this. What could have happened here? Forming a W. I do see a W here. Santi, what's the sad face? Tell me it's not about the gold short you're looking at. Wait, next 5-minute close. Could barcode right now. I want to see a pullback in towards these lows down here. If we get a pullback in towards these, like this price right here, 192s, I'm long, but it's pretty deep. I want to pull back into 192s.
This 5-minute candle's closing, 3 seconds. There you go. There's the sellers.
Defending the 50% of the range of those 250s, 260s.
Battling a little bit at this price here.
We're battling. Holding the EMA currently, but just... Oh, NASDAQ. How I love trading intraday trailing, because if I wasn't, I never would have got out where I got out. And then, yeah. And then instead I tried to join there and got schmurdered. Look at that buy candle, though. Sheesh. Ty was against my trade. No, Brandon. Hope it plays out for you, King. Buyers really coming in here at these 250s, 260s. Forming a little bit of a pattern. I think I also noticed a trend line that we could notice. See if it stays true or not.
There's a little bit of barcode in here.
Through this could get interesting.
So far, we only have, well, decent range, 236 points in this morning range.
Pretty clean. Pretty clean here. I patched traded 5 last night, 50K going with the daily plan. Let's go, Eli.
Nice.
Trend line tap from the EF from NQ right now. Seeing what they want to do with it. Through this, I like continuation to the top of the range. We continue to reject this, and I don't know.
Yeah, longs do look risky right now, trading out. It just seems very bearish.
Excuse me. I don't mind longs if we come down and find like another 92 attempt. I mean, sellers have tried twice to get us through daily sellers tried twice to get us through VWAP and daily opening print price, and both times buyers have showed up. So doesn't look terrible.
Yeah.
We are forming a descending pattern to the sell side, but you know, I don't know. How could I know anyways? Like, how could I actually know? NASDAQ doesn't tell us the secrets. She just does it. Perfect trend line touch there if I was actually on time.
That trend line short looks good high.
Doesn't look bad, but again, I don't know if I'm really sell side, but a little bit more bull side.
Are you looking for longs or sells?
A little bit more long side focused right now, I think.
Okay.
And again, we've tried to get through the support area at VWAP twice and couldn't do it, and daily opening print price and couldn't do it. So if the sellers were going to do it then, they were going to do it then. Buyers are responding that they're not going to give it up, at least easily. Another trend line tap there.
Looks like this area yesterday at the Asia Open, big buy candle here, right at this zone that we're at now. And it looks like it's supported. It looks like buyers are protecting it.
Pat Mike, I hear an echo. Anyone else? There's an echo on Pat's mic, huh? Sorry, Femery. Is this any better?
Turn me off.
No, just turn him down a little. I didn't want that. A little bit of Iran news, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. A little bit of Iran news. What are they saying over there, Santi? 50% of the 15-minute range is being defended right now, so that's happening. Through this trend line, I'm going to look for a long. I'm just going to poke along through here. If we don't break through and we go back towards this VWAP, I want to see the reaction.
Wow. Buyers and sellers are asleep at the wheel right now. Where are we going, guys? Come on.
They're battling. They're battling. Only thing is, ES is still inside of supply and high time frame imbalance, so it could struggle. Iran, U.S. demands are still excessive despite draft changes. That's what we are. We're a bit excessive. Come on, don't you know that? Don't you know that already? Haven't you figured that out? Are they going to get the gumption? Trying to break through this trend line now. Looking strong if it does. A little bit of resistance, a little bit of struggle, but it'll be interesting to see what happens. I feel like we want to see the top of the 15.
Stair stepping a little bit.
Nazi passed a low volume node or a volume node. Yeah, we did. We got through there. Now we're starting to auction to the other sides. Makes me think that the 340s could get found. Tell you what, if the EMA also starts cutting through this trend line and we get a pullback, I'm going to try a long, I think. I have to wait for... It's tough because now I only have 40 points or 20 points in drawdown.
If you're looking for a long, man, I would give yourself the best spot. I mean, I would be interested in getting filled around these 150s, 140s, but that's obviously a ways off.
Oh, yeah, no, we're not getting the 150s filled.
That'll give you the best spot to have your position protected. Right now in the middle of the range, it's risky, but it does look like longs are starting to win a little bit, but it's still a little early to tell.
We come into the 150s, I would not be interested in a long anymore. 140s.
Really? Okay.
I mean, I see why you would be. I see why you like to support there. We found some support from the higher time frame, but it's also just like for me, it'd be the same analysis. Buyers tried to defend this price twice, but the sellers are still looking stronger there. So for me, I wouldn't be confident to try it at least. But who knows? Anything could happen. I want to see what the EMA does with this VWAP or this trend line interaction. If we start curling through it, I see us going to take the top of the 15. If we break through, I'd be interested in a long around like the 190s, 200s, but who knows?
Yeah, we have touched that zone multiple times. I do agree. The 140s, 150s, we have pulled liquidity there a couple times already. So that area is going to be...
Or stay out for your mental health. Alien, I love it. Always an option. Always an option to protect the mental capital. Currently pushing us right back in the trend line, so. There they are. Strong closure from the sellers. Family, there's 32 people watching. I don't know how many likes we have, but if we're close to our 30 like stream goal and you haven't yet, could you show some love and hit the love button and get us closer to our goal? It means the most. Sellers coming back in towards this VWAP around the 200s, 190s. Tricky. Tricky. Hard saying, not knowing. Kind of really do want to try these 190s, but feels a bit dangerous. Maybe I shouldn't. I still hear an echo. That's why I'm wondering if it's only me. There's an echo. But why?
Echo's gone now.
Huh? Say something, Pat.
I'm here.
You guys still hear the echo? It's only with Pat talking. I think it's because it's coming through my monitor. Pat, say a bunch of stuff.
La 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 la.
Hits us with a song. I like that.
Come on, Nasdaq. Where are we going?
Well, if we get up through this VWAP, I'm really going to like it. I mean, through this trend line, but it's kind of hard to say right now, honestly. We came into the 200s and held a little bit. I wanted deeper into the 190s, and I would have tried it, but, you know, that's better. I think you turned it down a wee bit. Did someone delete my comment? What comment, Santi? What comment, King? They better not have. I'll be coming for them. Another attempt, try to see if we can get through this trend line. I think we want to.
Wow, we're just kind of flat here at this price of the 250s.
We're going nowhere quickly. Yeah, we are going flat, Pat. Pat looks like a Sargon of Akkad, some red pill guy. Sargon of Akkad. Pat, are you Sargon?
Is that from a movie or something?
I don't know. I'm not informed.
Sargon of Akkad. That sounds like a warrior. If that's a warrior, then that's me.
Mr. Sargon. Did we get through this trend line? It looks decent. Doesn't look bad.
Definitely not a red pill guy.
YouTube guy. Got what, Eli? Another rejection of this trend line currently, man. Wowzers.
I think sellers are winning your tie. We're slowly forming lower highs.
Technically lower lows and lower highs. So yeah.
Yeah, slow. It's very slow, but it does look like it.
Game of Thrones.
Buyers.
Oh God, gotcha. But yeah, the name is historical figure. I love it.
Cool.
Uninformed, but I like it. Yeah, it is starting to feel like the sellers are just stronger here, honestly. You guys streaming on Discord? We are actually in Iran nuclear news. They got their uranium or what? Continuing enrichment? You guys streaming on Discord? We're in a conversation on Discord, but we're streaming on a thing called Video Ninja. Monday will be slow. I'm at 500. But yeah, I mean, that's a great way to start. That's a great way to be, Eli. Can't be upset about that. The fact that we're holding at this trend line so consistently is strange. It makes me think it wants to break, and sellers are struggling to get this thing to break lower. Iran, under no circumstances, trades the war end for nuclear. Yeah, I mean, that's not surprising. It's their life force. They understand if they are able to get that, then they're going to start saving themselves a lot of other turmoil and problems in the future. So it's really not surprising that they're not willing to give that up immediately. Or, as they stated, under any circumstance.
Really slow. Right?
It is slow right now. Rejection of this trend line very passively. Markets feel like it's waiting for something big soon. Santi, I agree. I think we're going to find a little bit of selling pressure here. I do think we're starting to roll over.
Yeah. I would short 300 if we get a tap. We've just been kind of sideways the past 10 minutes.
Don't risk capital with this PA, or at least wait for the 30-minute close on the NAS or ES NAS. Well, yeah, it'd be interesting to see what the 30-minute does. NASDAQ coming back in towards these 200s now. VWAP's below at the 180s.
30 minutes kind of like a big doji right now. It's bearish. Doji whipped out on both sides.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? NASDAQ is moving real slow. Barely any reaction on the Q. GC took a little nice little sell off. Buy with a stop loss below the wick. I like that. Could play. Could play alien. I don't mind that. Also feels like we might be hunting it. I'm back. Twin had to spin. Spin on Smith. Only had one roll. I'm jealous of how hard you get to party work, especially on a nice Monday like that. Celebrate for me, King. Here comes VWAP potentially. See if the NASDAQ's going to break through these twos or not.
I think this is going to be a big deciding point right here at VWAP. We're either going to dump or we're going to hold.
Wouldn't try and force anything. I missed opening bell. One roll to brand. Here in Florida, that shit always dry AF. One roll. I haven't had them. I have not tried them, but I bet it's pleasant. Quite pleasant, really. Quite divine if you think about it. Santi, I meant I had to spend that to spend anything, aka the dispensary to restock. See, that's what I thought you meant. You just actually, I thought you meant you had to spend this and roll. Man, we got the 192 tap that I perfectly was mentioning wanting, so I'm hesitant to try to short this trend line, but I kind of want to short the trend line. Oh, NASDAQ, how you do me so mean.
This is real trading right here when you're bored. When you're bored and you sit there and you're like, man, this is really boring. And then you realize, oh, I'm waiting for a setup. I'm trading profitably. This is what it's all about right here, man. Even though we're barcoding, we got no direction.
100%, Pat. I love it. You're dead ass correct. If you're bored, you're doing something correct in the markets. NASDAQ coming down to this imbalance, trying to get back into this trend line again. If it would have happened a little bit quicker, I'd have been in there. How many doggies do you have, Pat? Great question from the Queen. Ooh.
Too many.
Smith, only dispensary I go to in Mass. Smith.
The dogs are outside.
Psychology is king, man. That trend line chat would have been beautiful. Back into the VWAP here. Do we get through it this time? Buyers have been very, very, very stubborn down around these prices, so we'll see if they're still going to respond. Over here, roll one is a brand. True Leaf is, but the way they cure is so bad. True Leaf. We have True Leaf. That's funny. But the way they cure is bad. Yeah, that makes it terrible. Dry out your product. All right, NASDAQ getting an auction below the VWAP currently. EMA still slightly above, but it feels like the sellers officially did get that step in from the 294s there. Like I said, I'm not really interested in a long down here at the 50s anymore than I would have been had I been a bit higher. What kind of dogs you have, Patsky? I have a laboratory. You had a little lab? Hell yeah, work.
I have a Jack Russell Terrier, and then I have some roommates that have Chihuahuas.
Chihuahua.
It's like a farm here, man. I love animals. Like chickens, ducks, all kinds of animals.
Let's go. Let's go, Pat. Buyers trying to show up at VWAP. What's up, buddy?
I'm responding to work.
Oh, yeah. As anyone who grows, do you have anything good, bad to say about 710 Labs? They're classic. Oil. 710 Labs is decent oil. Yeah, I would say they're all around decent. I haven't had a ton of their product just because we have a lot of our own in-house stuff that I really enjoy, but 710 is a classic. I haven't heard any horror stories, I guess, Santi. My dog hates Chihuahuas. They always have beef every time they go to a dog park. I want to know why they think so tough. Poor little Chihuahua. They are so tough. They think they're the toughest. Now, is that getting enclosure below VWAP, EMA's curling. Go ahead, Pat.
No, you're good. Chihuahuas are like that, man. It's a small man complex. Complex.
I'm the big dog.
Here we go. Let's get through this VWAP with the sellers.
Let's see what's down here.
There it is. It might get heavy right here, Ty. There it is. There they go. There they go.
Tapping into those 40s.
I do not think the buyers are going to be respected here. We've had multiple buy-side liquidity taps.
History says this level's been bought, but do you see how it's hard to try to buy these 40s like you were saying?
Yeah, I would not buy this right now. I think we're going to blow right through it.
They do think they're the big dogs. When I order shipments, one of my top picks for carts and occasional dabs. Hell yeah, Santi. Yeah, no, they're classic. Buyers still giving some orders at this daily opening print price. Still trying to make us print a green candle for the day, but I don't know. It's interesting. Sellers have had their way to push us back down slowly. Buyers reclaiming, getting most of that buy candle back up now. I think I'm willing to try another short at the price I was originally trying to get involved with in the first place when I got missed barely. And around these 190s. But here we go. EMA is officially trying to cut through. Are we going to get a break at the daily opening print price this time? Sellers might actually step in if we do. Getting a touch of the lows. Getting near our New York session low at the 128s. Boom. New low in the New York session. Officially getting through that daily opening print bottom. Officially getting through that daily opening print bottom there. I want to get a Corsa, but my girl doesn't let me, man, talking about they too big when they old. What about if she eats me? Like, come on, are you serious? Corsas are fucking awesome dogs. Giant. Style Gamer. Hey, can you make a review on Maze Systems? I saw it on your group and saw it since it's free and the results are interesting. Could you tell us if you're good or not? If it's good or not? On Maze Systems. I don't even know what that is. Saw it on your group. No, you didn't. I don't even know what that is. Maze Systems. Am I tripping? Get her a Great Dane. Gentle Giant. They are super gentle. So sweet. Little Great Dane. Cuties. Auctioning at the daily opening print right now. Don't know where we're going. Hey man, I haven't got a green day in a few weeks. Market been chop. My strategy is 15-second IFGs with 5-second SMT, and I use the 3 minis for my bias. What would you do to make it better? First of all, I would get out of a 15-second IFVG. I don't think you're not getting a reliable enough time frames. It's very quick and things happen in 15-second time frames all the time. I would zoom out, at least go to a minute. From there, you could even zoom out to the 5-minute, but I think start there, King. I think start waiting for a it sounds like you're looking for IFFG, so you're looking for imbalances. Look for higher time frame ones instead of micro ones. And then, yeah, man, I would try doing that. Instead of a 3-minute for your bias, use like a 15 or an hour. I use an hourly for my time frame for my bias, and then a 1 minute for my executions. Here we go. Sellers officially getting below here now. Sellers coming in. My sister has a Vizsla. Crazy. I was thinking that as well, but I want a course out. I want to feel like a G. I would like to know your opinion whether it's legit or not. I'm just not sure what that is, Style Gamer, to be honest with you. Maze Systems. I've never heard of that. I had the time to train him at home, so I don't know. let me work for real. Work, you gotta bark like you want it. You gotta bark like you want it. Bro, I tried. I even got her something for her to tell me and get it. I said no. Sellers, holy cow. Didn't get us invited to the party. Getting this thing to move to the sell side now.
Yeah, sellers just created a supply at the 200s.
I mean, this thing is just falling. People having to close their longs. I tried. I even got her something. VWAP on the ES. That's the first time we found VWAP on ES. Wow. Lagging behind NQ by quite a bit there. Tons of selling volume just came in. Tons of contracts. 4,000 contracts at the bottom there. Do we get continuation? I'm officially leaning to the sell side. Santi, I bet if I get her opponent, she will for sure like that shit. She's been asking for one. I don't know why, but I got to take away social from her. She's so influenced, or someone's got a pony, then she needs a pony. Man, 29,000 is about to get flashed on the NASDAQ. Completely one-sided. I mean, we just sold off 150 points here in 3 minutes. Strong volume starting to come in here. 150 points in 3 minutes is crazy.
I'm interested in the 200s for a short, but I don't think we're going to get it. I think they sell train left without us.
My deleted comment says something like, if we push lower than the 976s and 903s, 8843 are zones. I'm looking for buyer's reaction. We'll lower it. 976. I already got smoked. 903. That could be a play, Shanti. Or 843. Should look into the sell side. Blue the Lucid funded. Tried to short and got stopped out. I'm done for the Kings. We try again tomorrow. The price finally dropped. It finally did play in your way too, Matrix. Sorry to see it, King, but proud of you for walking, being proud of yourself, and coming back tomorrow. That's tough to see. TP smash. I'm done for the day. Longest hold ever. Been short since just before market open. Was sweating when Ty started looking long. Let's go, newbie. I love it, Queen. Good trading. Absolutely stellar out of you. Way to hold through.
Great job.
Get your analysis. Love seeing that shit. Having a grab grill is a nightmare for real, but a GB happy. Happy wife, happy life, King. Below the 900s now. Sellers really just dominant right now. Super strong.
Where could we stop?
What's up, Pat?
Said, where are we heading to and where could we stop? So we have a low down here at the 920s.
Yeah, Asia low.
That could be a target for sell side.
Having an Arab girl, a grab girl. Damn, that was bad work. Hey, I'm reading quickly. There's a lot going on, okay? Give me a little bit of grace. Totally know you meant Arab there. She wanted a pony? She wants a pony. It's killer. Well, sellers getting the biggest selling volume contract, 4,500 there to break in below the 9,000s, or the 900s, I mean. Do we get continuation or do we get a rejection? I kind of want to try an EMA tap for a sell side continuation, but it's also tough. Sellers have brought this thing down over 300 points now, so it wouldn't be crazy to get a little bounce. I don't know. I do not know. I do not even know, darling, but what I do know is there's 28 of you folks in here viewing this stream, and if you haven't yet, show the like button some attention. It means very much to me and Patrick, and yes, I appreciate it.
Drop the like so Tyler will stick to his American accent. That's pretty good, dude. You can be a voice actor.
Oh, you're too much. W Crypto. Let's go, bro. I'm going to show some love. NASDAQ tapping into this EMA to 50s.
Look at that wick down there.
Yeah, it's pretty gnarly. Especially after getting that much volume and no continuation. It's hard to just necessarily reverse that. How much do you think we need to be on the top 1,000 on the Tradeify Cup stuff? I guess I could look for another setup to get to 3K or 1,700. Okay, you think? Nah, I don't think 1,700 is going to make it, Queen. To be completely honest with you. I really don't. I'd like it to. I'd like to beat the threshold, but I don't think so. If we're being honest, I'm not very sure that would be enough, to be honest. I think this would be probably, I think you would look for another setup, would be alright. Another daily opening print try at the 36s. I might try to get short. I'm trying to find a spot, family. I only have 20 points in drawdown, so I have to pick a decent outside edge, but we'll see here. You got me there, LOL. I can't stop laughing. You think I'm fucked up. I'd be making jokes on her about her race, but it's all fun and games. She loves you. It's all good, King. She loves you. EMA trying to give a little bit of a selling signal, but the buying signal I got is a strong reversal to 2,900 whole number, 29,000 whole number. Sellers really try to push through there. Buyers maintain, so I wouldn't be surprised to see a retracement into higher prices. Anything could happen, but we'll see. Another try into that daily opening print price. I wouldn't be completely shocked to give it a go. Let me zoom out really quickly.
Right now.
We'll see what it looks like when we auction in towards these lows.
We stopped at 971 and turned around.
Yeah, the 29,000 is where we found support. Thanks, bro. Shit, this is too much work just to have fun. I'm not looking to win, just compete, as I know they are seasoned vets in this thing. They're seasoned vets. They also, you know, it's trading, newbie. So at the end of the day, you got to get a little bit lucky, especially with one contract, one account. I mean, it's you're getting a little bit lucky no matter how you look at it. Rejecting this EMA currently. Surprised to see it, actually. I'm going to try a 29,000 buy here. Risking the account at the 29,000. See if we get a chance. See if we get tapped in or not. Want to see a reaction off our price. Looking for 29,005. Probably not going to get love, and then we're going to rip up, and then I'm going to get missed, right? Or how do you want to treat me today, NASDAQ? Or we just rip right through the lows and I'm just wrong.
It's risky, but your price being respected here. It's a big whole round number.
It is. That's why I'm taking the gamble. We'll see if we even get a fill. Looks like we may not be if she continues to get back towards that EMA. I still have other accounts to trade, and it's already 20 minutes left of the day. Damn, time flew on us today. I guess we hesitated to hit the button. Man, I gotta pee so bad. We were talking that bet on Pauly might actually be a green. He was talking about it a couple days ago about switching to nice. There's no way. He actually said it out of his mouth. Work. There's no way. NASDAQ really gave us a flash to the 913 instead of the 905s, and we'd be absolutely stunning right now. Unbelievable. PA slowed down on us too.
Slow.
It did, newbie. Said, hey, I already moved a lot. If you guys missed it, you missed it. I'm going to go take a quick second. It's like, oh, take your time. No, it's fine. I get it. Take what you need there. Brr, she's got the chilies. I get it. Take the time that you need. There's 28 beautiful souls watching the family. Could we show some love if we haven't yet? Try to get to our 30 like stream goal. I was surprised when he announced it. Just waiting on it. And now still we have time. Can you review Maze systems then to let us know if they're actually legit or not and if their trades are good? Dude, I don't know what that is, Style. Not sure what that is, no idea what that is. Could not review something that I'm uninformed of, you know what I mean? Cannot believe how short we were just getting filled at 905s there, NASDAQ, you fucking bully. You don't care about me, just say it. If you don't care about me, just say it to my face.
If we get a pullback in the VWAP and it holds, that could look really good for shorts.
Yeah, we're starting to form a bit of a sell pattern.
Yeah, I've got 2 supply zones here. I've got a 30-minute and a 5-minute.
Forming a bit of a sell pattern, a little bit of a bear flag if you do. I think we could come back up into the VWAP. Okay, thanks, no worries. I'm logging off. Enjoy your day, everyone. How'd your trading go, Danny? Hope you did well. How did ES treat you? But enjoy the rest of your day. Happy Monday. Hope you get your mind ready for tomorrow. Oh, NASDAQ, how you're auctioning so weird. Up 150, taking it. Absolutely, Queen. Love it. Congratulations. Good trading. Absolutely love it. Daily opening print price looks interesting to try a short here, but at the same time, I think I kind of want to wait for a VWAP try. I don't know.
I would see the reaction of VWAP. I wouldn't just join, but I would see if you get a clean reaction there. Maybe see some more sell side.
Let's fucking go to any. Let's go, Queen. I only have like 30 minutes left before I have to go fight a bull. So unfortunately, I'm about to YOLO silver. Don't need as big of a move. W Danny in peace. Yeah, I mean that's the play, newbie. I think a lot of them are doing that too. So trust it, Queen. YOLO that thing. YOLO that thing and get paid. You deserve it. I think I'm going to try a quick snipe long here. I'm going to start just trying to snipe this thing. Kind of want to long this EMA with a quick snipe. Look for the 10 points. Oh, I just can't afford it. Afford it. Well, if the NASDAQ starts breaking below here, I will look for the shorts. Still think we're about to go try to flash for that daily opening print price. You know what I mean, darling? Shoot. Do you know what I mean? Wow. Good candle action from the sellers, actually, there. It's pretty crazy.
Yeah, we might not even get VWAP if that sell candle turns around. It might just be more sell side from there.
Actually, a crazy
30
candle
minutes
from them.
just straight down.
You want to go short right now? It's funny you say it, Pat, because I'm really trying to short this EMA.
Order filled.
In fact, I am shorting this EMA.
It looks good, Ty. I mean, the 30 minutes just straight down with sell candles. So I would definitely go short here.
Feels like we're gonna auction right up though.
The 200s, but we're not there.
Feels like if we don't get a bearish candle here, we're gonna auction straight up.
Come on, sellers. Big black, no wick.
Giant black. Give us the thickest of blacks.
Let's go.
Come on, get through that bottom.
Order filled.
Oh, I closed it because they're tricking me to think they're not going to go. Now they're going to go because I closed. It's the way the classic game is.
Let's go, bro.
I don't know. I'm not proud of it. I think we're going to go break through this low, and I want to pass these accounts in the next couple moments here.
How
Just
many points did you grab there?
like that. Because why would it be so desirable? I grabbed $900. I made the loss back. We're back to 2,000 in the accounts, so it's not the end of the world, but still not good. That would have been enough. The intraday trailing, I hate it. And now it goes. You fucking bitch. Beep, beep, beep.
Yeah, the 5 minute was looking good.
Trailing really messes with your mind. Don't sweat it. It really gets me up here. It really makes me a bad trader, so I hate it. I just want to get out of it. I can't stand it. Makes me a bad trader, newbie. Gets in my mind.
Trailing does?
Huh?
Trailing messes with you?
Makes me a bad trader, Pat. Like earlier, my initial trade, I would have held this thing to Valhalla and got way more guap out of it, but I couldn't because of the trailing. And then this right here just scared me out of it, thinking that we're going to go reject back up here, and I was going to get scared out of it.
I see what you're saying. The intraday, yeah. You're just going to have to go break even when you're up 20 points, trail 10. If you're up 50, trail 25. You know, it's until you get over the buffer. Once you get over the buffer, it's normal. No more intra-trailing, and you can trade how you do. You know, you're really good at holding.
I'm going to try a 900 buy, 9,000 whole number buy.
Order filled.
It's risky, Ty. It's still looking very bearish, but it could hold.
I only did it with half size, so.
Nice.
Still affecting my intraday trailing, of course. Nice reaction off that number, though. Looked like it was going to be nice to me. Now the EMA is disrespecting my exit, unfortunately.
Let's see what this 5 minute candle does.
Still affecting my intraday trailing, unfortunately, sir. Give us a reaction off this 29,000 whole number here. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Order filled.
I was about to be really upset. 19 have just passed the accounts, family. We have one account lagging for some reason. This account here. I don't even know what number that is. Woo! We can be happy with bringing 19 home to mama. We got to get one more there. How do we decipher which one this is?
Let's go, dude.
It's 325. So I have to turn off my groups and go to 325. We have to make $300 here. 270. That's to me. That's why I do heavy quick scalp strats on Apex and TPT initially. That's why I'm sizing up, newbie. Hitting more size, and it's making me. I'm learning. Not my favorite, but we're learning. Just scalp. Don't risk the drawdown. Yeah, that's the way, Dave. Welcome in, King. By the way. W. Let's go, family. Yo, D. Good morning, King. How you feeling? W, huge payday incoming. Maybe, newbie. Still got to go over the buffer. We still got to do that all over again and get over the trailing drawdown tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes. But for now, we are officially going to have these 20 girls passed, which will be exciting. And I need to make, or 19 technically at the moment. I got to get this one buffer made. And then we still got to try. I didn't trade Lucid, and I didn't even get to try the Tradeify Cup. So I'm getting cooked over here. No time. I got to go to work. Ugh. Damn it. I want to be trading with y'all all day. Drop a W. Drop a like if you guys want me to be full-time trading with you guys, streaming more often than just the hour and a half.
Yes, dude.
I'm here. Let's go, D. Congrats, by the way, on the big shout out to D. Starting his trading journey pretty recently and has been crushing the markets. He's on his way to a second 10K payout in a row from Lucid. It's fucking awesome to see. Inspiring people. You got this. You know you're consistently profitable. I do, but it's just a matter. It's just, that trailing drawdown. She a bitch. She's kind of a bully. Let me make 100 accounts, BRB. Santi, go grab that. I need 5. I need $300. Need to quickly grab a little move here and get this one account over the buffer. 325. Can we make it there? Yeah, I think we can. Can we make it there? I believe that we can. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Mr. Cotton Joe, man. I'm going to buy this 72 price. Looking for 10 points off of it. Or like 12 points, 15 points. Give me a touch, NASDAQ. Don't disrespect me. Come on. Tell me you love me. Tell me you love me. Wait, 5 contracts. Holy shit, I must just made a bad mistake. I need 1. Tell me you love me, NASDAQ. Come on. I'm here. Tell me I'm pretty. I gotta take profit accounts also. 2 more days for that funded on them. Let's go, D. NASDAQ, can you just touch me? Oh.
Order filled.
Thank you. Now go away. Now don't be mean. Now go away. Wait, where's that account? Right here. No. You're going the wrong way. It's going to be a horror story where I'm have 19 in past accounts and 1 that doesn't make it.
Are you long right here?
I'm long at the 73s right now, Pat. And it doesn't feel good. Especially because we're giving up this EMA. Sellers look like they're about to step back in here.
Yeah, 5 minute looks like it's about to step down.
You said what?
5 minute looks like it's walking down. Yeah, we're kind of blocking down here a little bit, so I'm not sure.
Well, then you know what we're going to do. We're going to become a bear.
I would short the 100s or the 120s. You could ride it back down.
You're breaking
to the
up
bottom,
a little bit.
975.
You're breaking up, sir. Can't hear you very well. I don't know sure why.
I would short the 110s.
I'm about to flip over to the sell side to grab these last couple points here, I think. I want to wait for the blue line algo, but I might just do it now at the ZMA.
Order filled.
Flipping over to the shorts. Tell me I'm not a dummy for that.
No, I think shorts will feed you.
Order filled.
Bam. Everybody's passed, I think. We just got 20 new accounts to go, family, for tomorrow. 20 Apex babies. Can we make them happen? Oh, I didn't get to trade the Lucids today, and I didn't get to trade the Tradeify Cup, so that's unfortunate. But we got 20 accounts, so we'll see what we can do with Apex. Hopefully we can make it happen. Who knows? Max Allo. Let's go, Santi. My luck is when you flip, it's going to... Yeah, Santi, me too. 7 more familiar for our 30-like stream goal. If you guys haven't yet, we're about to get out of here. It means a lot, though, to show some love to Pat. Hopping on here, showing trades. He doesn't have to do it. Helping the community out, showing you guys what it's like from, you know, the just less profitable mindset to building and developing and getting profitable, showing you the confidence that he's building. He literally started today saying he's confident, and then he takes a banger trade at VWAP, holds it for a beautiful exit. Really good trade out of him. He's been consistently smashing it, so show some love to him for that. Also, guys, enjoy yourselves. It's been a strong start to the week. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Refreshed the brain. Got you guys excited. Self-excited for the week ahead because I do think it's going to be pretty interesting. Overall, the volatility lately has been wild. Like, you don't need a lot of contract size or a lot of points to make a lot of money. So we'll see what can happen. But for now, family, that's going to do it for us. Tomorrow, hopefully we can trade more than just one account. It kind of took a while to find some extra positions there, but I'm glad we were patient and ended up playing out for us in the right way. Like Pat said, patience is good. It means if you guys are being bored, you're making really good adjustments towards your psychology and taking good setups. So I love it. Hopefully no more trades from you, Pat. You done for the day too? Can you hear us, King? Pat?
Hey, I'm here.
All right. Are you done trading? You can find any more setups, or what are you thinking for the day?
I'm done. Are we still live?
What's that?
Are we still live?
He's lagging out. So I don't know, family. We'll catch up with him tomorrow morning. But for the meantime, you guys know what it is. I hope you guys are protecting yourselves accounts. Be ready for the week ahead. It's still a Monday. Lots of opportunities. In the meantime, drink some sun, family. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. And we'll be back tomorrow, Tuesday, doing it all over again. I love you guys. Enjoy yourselves. Take it easy. Peace.